G'day, VW, and how you doing? In today's video, we are going to do a cruise down to the day of the Volkswagen and have a look at some of the cars that are down there. So it's early in the morning here, down at Hillary's boat harbour, and just a shot of the boat harbour. Some people are putting their boats in, getting ready to go. This is just a picnic area near the boats, and we're going to be in that car park over there, and we're going to leave from here to the day of the VW. Walking around the day of the Volkswagen. So there's Ian's bug, a slightly earlier bug. Big bumpers, 70s. That's also slightly earlier 60s, early 60s. It's a later super bug, bulge on the bonnet. Older Carman gear with the smaller indicators. Lovely car. This is a country buggy. I quite like the flame job on that. That's a newer Super Beetle. And then a Porsche 924. Look at the Lambo wing doors on this Golf. That's excellent. I really like that. Orange buggies. New Golf. Again a 70s Beetle. Later Carman gear. These are really, that's an early Beetle. See by the indicators and the headlights. Later Beetle. Also earlier, with the bulges in the front fenders. And that was a 56. These buggies are fantastic. Really, really well turned out. Back to the glitter days of the 70s. Orange seems to be the colour in WA for beach buggies. Here's a Type 3 squareback. Here's a Thing or Trekker in the UK. Again, earlier bug with a rope on the bumper. Again, beautiful car, well turned out. Some later Beetles. And there's a Type 3 fastback. And Super. And again, a nice bright buggy. It's a Golf station wagon. Later bug. This Carman gear, early Carman gear is fantastic. Beautiful vehicle as well.
What colour is it?
Yeah, you can't go past beach buggies. This was the only Baja at the show. Also a very nice car. Early bugs.
Who's next?
Some combis, some early combis with the bullet indicators. A splitty, little silver one, very nice vehicle. All surfboards on the top. Great car. So is this one, this matte blue, Dove blue. Just some more splitties. This is an interesting one. It's got doors on both sides, cargo doors on both sides. This red and white one is fantastic as well. Lovely vehicle. So the theme of the show was patina. So all the patina cars from the club were put in this section here. And low light microbus, early splitty, single cab splitty ute, Jamie split screen. And that's also Jamie's car, the low light bay. Another low light bay. That's Martin's vehicle with the Fuch rims. And they were playing music, so that's why I just dubbed that out. Look at this old one with a silver and white. Another old bay. And another splitty. Then some patina beetles over here. Although that one looks pretty good nick. Ah, bit on the roof. It looks like it's had a spray job. There's a survivor. And this one's the ultimate in patina oval. Lovely car. Here's another survivor. Another oval, also patinaed. And a country buggy. Only made in Australia. And so that's the end of the day. And we just heading home now. And once again, just going past some of the cars. There's a Herbie. Some newer water-cooled combis. So yeah, it was a great show. Nice to catch up with friends and just see some of the new cars that have been built and we're at the show. So once again, here's that red one from the back, the double door cargo. Interesting light setup on that one. Some very nice cars at the show. There's that matte blue, Splitty, the silver one. So there's quite a collection of excellent vehicles here in WA. Even a double cab ute on a trailer. I'd just like to thank you all for watching. Take care. God bless. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and leave me any comments.